allow me to share with you the multiple benefits of having this local coffee. So the first one is reduced carbon footprint. So with the shorter shipping time, because it's only sourced here in the Philippines, it means less carbon emissions. Next is the support for local farmers, whereas UCC has their CSR, or corporate social responsibility, in terms of labor and employment, where 70% of their coffee harvesters and native settlers in the upland communities belonging to the Dulangan, Manolo, Iduray, Iboli, and Balaan tribes. As for education, the company provides access to basic education to the upland settlers by constructing school buildings and providing scholarships to the children of the native population. In terms of the physical, place of worship, UCC has helped build churches and mosques in different municipalities within its area of operation. Road access, constructed several steel bridges and open roads to service farm-to-market access to the upland communities. For the medical support, the company has also sponsored several medical missions and built health centers for the upland communities. And lastly, fresher, distinctive flavors. Now with the shorter travel time of beans, freshness is ensued. The flavors of resilience. Choosing the right name for a product is never easy, especially when the product is something as beloved and nuanced as coffee. You guys, it's part of my job to create new recipes, and it's really challenging to, look or find the right name for your creations. So it's really challenging for us, Allegro Beverage, to come up with this name. And guess what? We also had this internal thing where we had this little game or kind of like a competition. Whoever comes up with the name for our new coffee will win a certain, something. So with that, our CEO, Ms. Yasmin, has observed that all of us staff, she has kind of like reflected that some of us are really resilient, in terms of thinking about the name. And we've reflected about how the farmers of the Philippine coffee industry has been resilient throughout the years. So we came up with the name Talaghay, which means resilient. Okay? So that's how we come up with the name.